I've got a pitch over there. Plenty of spots over there somewhere. More spots there. Can also pitch there. And someone left a pole over there and I need to go and get it for them. Look what I've got! We have pre-attached inner, we have hood, we have pegs, we have ground sheet, we have pole bag, a ripped pole bag. Not happy with that. Ring! Oh. Hey! Can anyone see where we've pitched camp for tonight, guys? The rain's not as heavy as we'd hoped it would be, but it's better than no rain. Anyway, not the most taut, or pretty as looking with tarp tent setups, but it's better than sitting out in the rain and getting wet. Really need to invest in better guy ropes. But got the cloud peak, guys. Absolutely delighted with it so far. I'll show you inside. And here is our sleeping system for tonight. I am using the OEX Traverse IMS. Got the big Agnes 3rd degree underneath. The OEX Traverse is super comfy, quite slidey, but I mean, taking it down to 4 Celsius and we're warm, and apparently it's not firmly insulated. And I've got the One Tigress sleeping bag. It's to be 7-8 Celsius tonight. I've had this down to just above freezing and I was toasty. Over here, the OEX Leviathan. They're a cold sleeper, so I thought I'd give them a proper winter bag. They're also using my Thermarest Neo X Lite, and they brought their travel pillow. But how cushy is that, guys? How cool is this? It's a bit of an obstacle to get to. Way. You could get a tent over there. You can get another tent there. You can get a tent there. Plenty of space for 2 people. You've got a pocket up there just behind the One Tigress bag. You've got a big pocket up there. Rain's not as heavy. Very upsetting. And apparently it's going to be a very dry night tonight as well. Only one of the downsides of this tent, I mean, you seen 2 seconds ago it's partially double skinned, but when you open that up and it's raining, water will drip into the inner, so you have to be careful with that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that rain sounds heavier than it should be. Time for a calzone. Time to check this bad boy out. Time to go home. Cosy wee tent. Spacious enough for 2 people just about. Plenty of cooking area. Leave it as you found it, guys. Cracking little semi-bushcraft spot. Carry out. What a spot. Aye. So that's the end of that. Don't know how this video's going to pan out. I rigged up that it was raining. Quickly got in the tent and put up the tarp. Went for a wee walk, crossed about. Looked for more camping spots, potential camping spots. Got a bit drunk. Cooked late. Party to wet about, was it 3 in the morning? Right that. This path, is it not? Is it that path? Okay, I think you're right. Felt a whole lot, well, it did briefly feel like it got down to around freezing, but then I got hit up again. Yeah, no, other path, wrong way. It's this path. No, we came that way and we're lost. No, this path takes us to the house. Did you have a warm sleep? I had a warm sleep, I had a warm sleep. One of my better sleeps, but I had to get up early and head back home. So, hope you enjoyed it, guys.